We got our spoons, spoons and glue, and then we got our containers that we just got. Yeah. So okay, we're gonna start. Okay, pour the glue in.
Let's use the balls.
Pour the glue in. Moonlight, shine look good in the moonlight. It really stains.
I already got a bubble.
Mine too.
Mine did.
What does the bubble mean?
I
Okay.
don't know.
Okay, we
It
almost
just smell like nail polish.
for real. I hate the smell of the glue. I hate the smell of glue.
Why?
And then because it's nasty, I don't like it.
We need water.
Good, no.
Yeah, because it might be a little too thick.
I ain't putting no water in here. I'm not putting no water. Cause okay, so y'all, I keep wiping my face because it's hot outside. But I only put water in my slime when I
We could like freaking
use borax. So
yeah, that's when you
I would use warm water with borax to make jiggly slime. Yeah,
because this and water make.
That's what I use to make this pink slime.
I used to have borax, but I wasted all. I don't got any more.
Okay, waiting to go. Just let it just drip. Okay, move this for the side real fast so you can see that they're going. We got another bottle, but we're just using one bottle for now.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna make more.
Uncle, my idea. I like your haircut. What your uncle?
For now,
What the uncle Freeman?
That's what we're gonna be doing.
Okay, I think mine's done. Where you at?
Okay, so I think mine is done.
I think mine too.
I think mine.
Huh?
So you can see it's done. Okay, so we want every drop of it.
Exactly.
So
How about we just? I'm gonna put half of the other one.
No, I'm not doing that.
I'm just putting a little bit on.
Kenny just walked that way. He just walked that way. That way. Okay, so
Okay, I don't know how to open this, so like
here. What, you finna use the other one for real?
I'm not using all of it.
Don't just use. Wait, how much glues you have?
Two comes in each pack.
Yeah, but I just used one, right?
You use one of yours.
It's two, so what is that? That's a full one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
No, this is the full one.
That's the old one.
Yeah.
Okay. I got mixed up for a little bit, y'all. So we're gonna have this.
Slow a little bit. All up in my lip and everything.
The lotion is this color, like
It's like maybe a turquoise color or something. No, not a turquoise. It's
khaki.
Yeah.
Khaki.
So now we're gonna mix it.
Okay. Then we're gonna mix it now.
It's actually a pretty nice color.
I like it. If you guys need one of my lotions right now, so
Yeah. Don't make it too light.
When do you need more lotion? I don't need no more. Okay, mine is perfect how it is.
Pretty nice.
I don't need more. Okay, and then
It looks stretchy.
I'm gonna get the tie. This is the tie that we bought just now.
Today, and we just bought today.
Okay, so we
And
didn't get color dye because the dye is already blue. So
And by the way, we also bought this with our own money.
yeah,
That we earned from our parents.
Yeah, and I
earned money. I earned $46, but I got my nails done with them, so that's why I don't got any more money.
But her sister gave.
But my sister gave me $2.
Really? She did? Huh? Oh yeah, she did give her the money.
Okay, so now we're gonna mix it.
Start mixing, guys. It's making. Look at mine. It's not going up because it's already warm.
Oh, this is so cool. It's turning blue. Well, y'all really can't see because it looks white still, but it's turning blue.
You put some more?
Yeah, that's not like when you feel you're gonna fall. Yours is going in.
Jaquan, mix it.
I like making small. Miss, you know that? Cause Miss, how long I've been asking you, can I get small? Why can I name on here? I mean, what is it on here? Nothing, just don't say my name. Alright. What else is it?
It's hardening up.
Yeah. Forming. Why do you stop mixing?
I can wait on that for mix this.
Okay, so yeah.
I'm sorry. Look at it, it's forming! Oh my god!
Look at that guy, it's forming.
You're you almost dropped yours.
What's so jiggly?
Yeah, to be honest, I think it's gonna become jiggly slime. Look at this, look at mine. It's so nice. Let's not break that knife.
Well, stop mixing. Stop mixing.
It's crunchy. Where is she? This, by the way, slime takes a lot of time. Yes, time.
But if you use a borax, it's faster.
Yes, because borax is the first way to make slime. This might be like the third way to make slime because you can also use game to make slime.
That doesn't work, guys. I'm telling you now.
Mine
game doesn't work.
Mine did.
Game
but it doesn't
work.
It doesn't make it work good though. It works, but it doesn't work good.
Yeah. See, look at that. Boring. Okay.
Mine is getting really hard.
Hard?
Yeah. Like it's boring.
You said hard.
Oh no.
Ew, mine feel weird.
Cause yours forming.
You still gotta mix it because you see the tide?
Yeah, just gonna keep mixing.
Shanila, just do this to the door, to the handle. Ooh. Ooh, mine's forming really good.
Okay, mine's is here. I'm gonna
Look,
tell you
guys,
mine's. Just gonna keep mixing. That's not the end of it.
I gotta do this because spoon's getting a little sticky. No, it's having too much slime on it. Like, you know, if you have too much.
If y'all think still got bubbles, that means keep mixing.
I see soap.
Exactly. So keep mixing.
It's starting to look sticky. It's starting to look nice though.
Well, you need to stop mixing. Keep mixing. Okay. So
do you need help mixing yours?
Yeah. No, he can mix it himself. You got to mix yours.
Okay.
Cause I need to take it first. I gotta take my mask first.
Here you be back, guys. Okay, look, guys. I'm gonna show you guys. I almost just failed, so. I just love it.
Can you give me more what's your name? Okay, his looks starting to look nice. Come on now. Okay, he hurt. Stop making this.
Your job better be working. Or if yours don't work, I'm going to their house to get my freaking borax.
You got borax?
Who, Mom? What, Mom?
Well, you need to start.
Look,
then with yours.
mine is good.
I put too much freaking.
Oh my god.
Tied a little bit. It's
No,
good.
you just need to take it out of the container.
It's good, I guess. That's what she's saying.
Oh, my god.
But this looks so good. Did you know?
Right twitching.
Okay, so
I don't know.
my slime, y'all. Oh my god, I'm gonna just say a friend name. Her name, I'm not gonna tell y'all her name, but I'm gonna just use a fake name. But y'all know her name.
Yeah.
And you're gonna know her name, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So my friend Alexa, right? She was making slime, right? And she used like 6 bottles of glue, right?
Yeah.
6 bottles. She made so much slime. Guess what? She messed it up. What? She used 6 bottles of glue. It was thick.
Oh my god, this feels so good, guys.
It was
you can feel this.
It was good at first, but then guess what she started doing? Hitting water in it. It was so good. She was tired.
Did she put conditioner in it?
Same time. Yes, put conditioner.
Oh wow.
Wasn't you there?
No.
With Alexa?
No. Remember, I was at my dad's house.
But I was there.
No, I think you was there.
No, I was at my dad's house. Remember, because she made that purple slime? The purple slime you're talking about?
No, I'm talking about.
What slime are you talking about? Oh, mine feels so good.
Okay, mine is cloudy slime, y'all. I'm gonna name mine right now. Blue sky.
Mine is
Cloudy
going to
blue.
be...
Cloudy blue. Mine's cloudy blue. What's yours? Blue sky.
Mine's going to be...
sky.
No,
Mine's cloudy blue.
Mine's just cotton
blue.
candy.
That's not even cotton candy. She can say cotton.
Yeah,
blue cotton candy. Mine is sky blue. What it was?
Sky blue or something.
Sky blue, I guess.
I'm gonna put it on the thing.
And then his is. No, mine's ocean. Ocean clear.
Mine.
Bluish ocean. Mine is clear. It's clear ocean. I'm gonna say that now. Clear ocean. That's
I'm not changing mine because mine.
Clear ocean. Mine is clear ocean, y'all.
Mine is blue cotton candy.
I ain't changing mine
Oh,
for nothing. Okay. By the way, I'm not a YouTube person that sells their slime on here, so please
What?
don't.
In the comments, don't ask.
Sometimes we be having sales.
In our neighborhood, cause y'all don't know, we not telling y'all where we live, but in the comments right now, guess what state we live in? Guess what state we live in? I might have said it in one of my other video.
Yeah,
Probably, but just go double check, please. So and comment in the comments. Whoever get it right, they're gonna get a shout out on Instagram. Well, on all my, they're gonna get a shout out on all my social medias.
What's
Instagram, Musical.ly, Snapchat, YouTube. But if you guys get it wrong, I don't know. If y'all get it wrong, that's just gonna be a wrong answer. But why you keep mixing it?
you can play with it now.
Oh no, he cannot. I'm gonna put a little bit of more in his because that's sticky.
Yeah, just put you're gonna make it hard, girl. There, that's good.
No, that's too much. Still, put a little bit of mine.
Guys,
I did too much, guys.
Mine is real stretchy. I like it, but
Mine is a little too sticky.
mine is a little
Keep
too
mixing.
watery.
Cause y'all went to your little bathroom. So yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna keep mixing. So.
That's
Really?
Shut up. Okay, so yeah, we made our
This is hard.
slime for the day. I'm gonna show y'all this one. I got this one. Wait, this is not how it goes. I got this one. I got this green one in the bag, this dark green in the bag, and I got this blue one.
We can pick one, like to present.
And I got the purple one. So I'm gonna keep mixing mine, and at the end of this video, we're going to introduce
Can 3 people pick one time? Or we can just present it.
Ain't no 3 people pick one slime. Y'all get one to present.
my slime messed up.
How?
Let me see.
I don't know what it is because I probably ain't missing it.
Okay, y'all. Mine doesn't make a sound.
Yours is
Good. You need to play with it. Mine don't make a sound, but
Mine's
it's good.
It feels weird with my nails on, cause it's like it feels like it's gonna bend back.
I made a lot of slime. Oh, by the way, we got more glue. Y'all go to Family Dollars and get
Dollar Tree, you
what?
mean?
Dollar Tree and get 4.
It's only $1 and you could get.
It's $1. No, it's not just $1. It's $1.07. Everything